Hi again. This is John Paulus. You're listening to Life's Potluck Buffet. This is episode 3 of Worksheet 9. And on the 2 previous episodes, I set up the worksheet and then I did the first bad quality that got converted into a good quality and talked a little bit about the ideas behind Worksheet 9. So if you want to know more about those, listen to the previous episodes and you'll get a sense of what Worksheet 9 is about. But to put it succinctly, Worksheet 9 is finding out about what leadership qualities you value and possess by understanding the bad qualities that leaders and managers that you've had experience with have, and then doing the opposite and coming up with your own opposite. Because when you come up with that opposite, it's going to be a good thing. Because the bad experiences you had made you feel really bad. You probably saw it make it other people feel bad. All right, so now I am going to turn to the worksheet. As you can see, I had the bad quality from the last episode was toxic, and I circled that to contain its powers. And the good quality is healthy or healthful. Okay, so now let's look at another one that I have perceived in leaders and managers. How shall I put this? Oops, I just highlighted all of the boxes. Let me get a pen. Oh, I'm going to do a different color. Let me do, I guess orange. I'll just go left to right. I don't know if that yellow is going to be visible. Maybe I'll find a darker yellow that will be visible when I get to it. So red, orange, yellow. We're starting the colors of the rainbow. Here we go. So in orange, I'm going to write the word micro everything. I wrote micro hyphen everything. I'm still struggling to write a T. Okay, there we go. That's it. Micro everything. And what do I mean here by micro everything? I mean micro management. I mean the Life's Potluck Buffet word for this micro poaching, right? When you do other people's work, whether it's a peer or someone you're supervising or anybody, when you take away work from them by instead of doing your own work, right? So micromanagement has everything to do with taking away accomplishment from other people, right? So let me think about what is the opposite of that in management and leadership, the opposite of like taking away other people's accomplishments. It is macro. I'm going to do the opposite. Macro promotion. So here we have a movement from micro to macro, small scale to big scale, right? When small thing here becomes a big good thing, a small bad thing can turn into, through our exercise here, a big good thing. And that's macro promotion. And that means promoting people, literally and figuratively. That means being present in a way that is a positive force for the flourishing of people who you are leading or managing. This is building people up. This is about uplift. I'm going to write underneath macro promotion uplift. Right? This is building people up and not making my own category here, and not breaking them down, right? I'm going to write on the bad quality, I'm writing breaking down. What type of K was that? The K looked like an R. It was like some weird script K. Oh, I see why I was doing that, because whenever I make a K, as I said in the last episode, or 3 episodes ago, I end up messing up the upright part gets pulled because just the way that this pen works. Okay. I'll say breaking down. And then okay, I finally got the end. And then that means that this uplift, this good quality, is building up. That is what I'm thinking about here. And that involves enabling people to have accomplishments and to feel so great about what they have done and are doing. And that is macro promotion. And the more you can encourage that, and notice I use the word encourage, that this is encouraging. So the bad quality here of micro everything and breaking everything down, breaking everyone down, is discouraging. The macro promotion, the uplift, that's encouraging. I'm going to write encourage. I'm just going to write the word encourage here, because that's really what this all comes down to. All right. Excellent. So we have now toxic. This is the bad quality. That we've replaced with healthful, promoting health, and healthy. We have micro everything, breaking down, discouraging. That's the bad quality. And then macro promotion, uplift, encouragement, right? Encourage is the word that we just wrote. So that's my second good quality there. So healthy, encouraging, healthful, uplifting. Right? These are all good qualities that managers and leaders ought to have in my world, in my understanding. What's your understanding? Give this worksheet a try. And I'm going to stop there, and we're going to come back. And in the next episode, I'm going to do the final part of worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9, find your leading qualities. So join me on tomorrow's episode, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. Take care now.